Hey there, this right here is the DJI Pocket 2, and it's the perfect tool for vloggers and creators to capture photos and videos of their everyday life. Now this one in particular I have is the new exclusive combo called Sunset White, and it was named after the summer sunsets. The Pocket 2 as a whole is a compact, stabilized, all-in-one camera that is designed to be taken anywhere and everywhere. Now along with this fresh new color that is a crystal white with slight pink and purple hues, the combo also includes some powerful accessories that enable creators to capture their long summer days. Inside of the box comes the Pocket 2 in the all-new Sunset White color scheme, the do-it-all handle for improved functionality, and a newly designed sling strap to easily carry your Pocket 2 everywhere. The do-it-all handle is personally my favorite accessory. It's a must-have anytime that I'm shooting with the Pocket 2. It adds Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allows a connection to the wireless mic receiver, a tripod mount on the bottom, a forward-firing speaker for use when reviewing footage, and a 3.5mm audio adapter for capturing or replaying audio, not to mention it gives you a little bit more room to grip the camera by. Now that newly designed sling strap that we mentioned earlier can be used to carry the Pocket 2 around your neck or across your body to keep it ready and accessible at all times. Otherwise, if you prefer to conceal your Pocket 2, it's literally pocket-sized and doesn't take up much space at all. With its small size, the Pocket 2 can be used with just one hand to capture photos and videos in any situation that you find yourself in. It comes equipped with a bright 20mm equivalent lens that's nice and wide and lets you fit a lot in the picture, making this camera perfect for vlogging and capturing landscapes, even indoor and outdoor portraits. Now when compared to the original Osmo Pocket, the Pocket 2 offers better image quality in low light as well, thanks to the improved camera software and larger image sensor. If you're looking to mainly capture video with the Pocket 2, then you'll be pleased to hear that it comes equipped with Matrix stereo microphones. That's 4 in total to capture clean, lifelike audio. As for the video shooting modes, we have the ability to capture 4K video at up to 60 frames per second or Full HD video at up to 240 frames per second for those moments that you want to slow down. Now the benefit of having such a high resolution sensor in the Pocket 2 is obviously for better looking photos and videos, but it also allows you to zoom in when shooting video up to 8 times total or 4 times with no loss in quality. For my photo shooters out there, the Pocket 2 can capture JPEG or RAW photographs in a native 16 megapixels, but taking advantage of the upgraded sensor, the maximum resolution of these images is 64 megapixels. That's an incredible 9,216 by 6,912 pixels, making your photos really sharp. No matter what you're shooting, photos or videos, you can rest assured knowing that they will be shake-free even on the move thanks to the 3-axis mechanical gimbal that stabilizes the camera. The Pocket 2 overall is really smart with different shooting modes on board like time-lapse, hyperlapse, slow motion, active track 3.0, and panorama that make shooting creative footage really easy. They've even made editing your images easier through the DJI Mimo app with built-in AI to help you generate eye-catching videos faster than you ever thought. The DJI Pocket 2 has been my go-to option for capturing content on the go to share on my YouTube channel. It's the perfect tool for capturing high-quality content, especially if portability is your #1 concern.